It's your girl Wandika, originally from Jamaica. I'm back with another video to show you the journals that are going into my web store. I've done a whole new set, and so I'm really excited to share that with you. Part of why I made these journals during a very busy time is that spring break is coming up and I will be doing some research. So I'm going on a trip, but it's primarily to work on my novel. And so I always like to make sure that I have enough funds for these extra ventures that I'm doing. So that's part of why I just kind of cranked out a bunch of journals. Right, so I hope you guys will check them out. So I'm gonna sew these and come back and show you what they look like. And I'm so glad I found this because I could use a lot of the music ephemera that Debbie sent to me. And I had taken some out of the other one, realizing that it would be better served in here. So I'm going to put these music sheets in here. That's sort of a mini journal. So I have a few mini journals that I'll be working on. So these two. And then this, I even got some stamps with some floral stamps. So I'm going to put those in, and I already have like the journaling cards for this. You know. And something else I got to get a sort of floral theme going. And I use fabric on the inside. So I have a lot to sew today that I want to. So either I'll show you in another video, or I'll just continue with this one. This one was going to be my writing journal, but I don't know. It didn't feel like my journal. So I think I'm going to just sew this in and make it a regular writing journal and put it in. And this one I got that actually has the word diary on it. And I have like lots of tea-dyed paper. Thank you so much for sticking around, for checking out my journals. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right, walk good.